Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. Today's video addresses the issue of Android phones not connecting to the internet. When your device moves out of Wi-Fi range, it needs to rely on a cellular network for internet access. But what should you do if neither Wi-Fi nor cellular data is working? I'm sure Android users find this frustrating, as internet connectivity is essential for smart devices. To troubleshoot and fix this, let's first understand why this happens and then explore the solutions. This video applies to phone models from brands such as Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Generally, there are several reasons why an Android phone might fail to connect to the internet. For instance, router issues. If the router malfunctions or you are too far away, Wi-Fi may not work properly. Insufficient plan balance. Running out of data or credit with your carrier can also cause connectivity issues. Poor signal strength is another common culprit. Temporary network outages or incorrect settings can also be to blame. These are common causes. Check to see if any of them apply to your device. If you are watching this video because you are experiencing internet connectivity issues on your Android phone, we will show you how to fix the problem. The methods are simple, just follow along step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment letting us know which method solved the issue for you. Method 1. Restart the router and move closer to it. If your Android phone isn't connecting to the internet while on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router and restarting it. If the router is the source of the problem, this might resolve the issue. To restart the router, either press and hold the button on the back or unplug it from the power source, wait for 1 minute, and then turn it back on. Method 2. Check for a strong signal. A weak signal can sometimes be mistaken for a complete lack of internet connectivity. Poor signal strength can prevent internet access or even cause your Android device to lag. To address this, move your device to a location with better signal reception and check if the connection returns to normal. Method 3. Check the date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings on your device relative to your current location can cause various issues. For instance, incorrect settings can lead to internet connectivity problems on your Android phone. Therefore, please check if the date and time on your device match your current location. If they do, please try the next method. If not, go to Settings and enable the Automatic Time Zone feature. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to select General Management, then find and select Date and Time. Check if the Automatic Time Zone setting is enabled. If not, turn it on immediately. Once done, the internet connectivity issue should be resolved. Method 4 is to enable airplane mode. Airplane mode cuts off all internet connections. If your Android phone's internet isn't working, try turning on airplane mode for 1 minute and then turning it off to see if that resolves the issue. This action forces the network connection to drop and then reconnect. Sometimes, simple network glitches can be fixed using airplane mode. Method 5 is to restart your device. Although this might not seem related to network issues, restarting your device can often solve a wide range of problems. You can try this method without worrying about data loss. To restart your device and fix the internet issue, follow these steps. Press and hold the side power button until options like restart appear on the screen. Tap the restart icon, and your phone will begin the restart process. Simply wait for the process to complete, then check if the internet connectivity issue has been resolved. Method 6 is to reset network settings. Android phones automatically save networks you have connected to. Connecting to too many Wi-Fi networks can sometimes corrupt network settings, leading to internet connectivity issues. The best way to fix this is to reset your phone's network settings, which will clear saved networks and Bluetooth connections. To reset network settings, follow these steps. Tap Settings on your home screen. Swipe up to find and tap General Management. On the new screen, find and tap Reset. Then, select Reset Network Settings, choose the SIM card you want to reset, and tap Reset Settings. Once completed, the saved networks on your device will be cleared, and you can check if the internet connectivity issue has been resolved. Method 7 is to verify your data plan. If the issue with your Android phone's internet connection persists, it might be due to insufficient funds or data in your plan. To resolve this, please ensure that you haven't exhausted your monthly data allowance, that you have a sufficient balance, and that your plan is still valid. You can check your balance yourself or contact your carrier's customer service for assistance. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful and enjoyed the content, please like and share the video, and let us know in the comments which method worked for you. We also welcome any feedback or suggestions for improvement in the comments section. Thank you, and good luck.